Good morning, YouTube. It's Joe with Clean and Thankful Cleaning Services LLC here in Southern Indiana, servicing Louisville, Kentucky, and Southern Indiana. And what we're going to do in this video here is I'm just going through and hitting the rugs, like the throw rugs in the janitoral account here in Crestwood, Kentucky. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and we're going to get started. So here we go. Alrighty, YouTube. So here's one of the rugs we're going to do. We're just going through and cleaning it up, vacuuming it off, and we were using a portable vacuum on these. And these are rental rugs, but we're just trying to keep them looking as good as we can get them to look. Looks like they've got some stuff on them though. They ain't gonna come off. But still want to keep them looking as good as we can, so coming through here and just vacuuming them off. Like it's mud. Now these rugs have been used. It's not mud, it's just where it's matted down. You can tell right there, see how it's matted down right there? Something's matted this rug down, so not nothing a vacuum cleaner's gonna do for that. But we will vacuum this one off. Looking good, looking good. Alright, we got one more rug here we'll do. This one don't look too bad. We'll hit this one real quick, and we'll have them all done in this one. Alrighty, YouTube, so I've got them all vacuumed off. Remember, up through there is where the rug's matted down, where it's a rental rug, I guess. But looks pretty good. So just want to show you one of the projects we were working on in this janitorial account here in Crestwood, Kentucky. If you're needing janitorial cleaning services, give us a call here at Clean and Thankful Cleaning Services LLC. And our phone number is 502-403-3526. Thanks YouTube for watching the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Have a great day.